Many Danish fishermen used their boats to transport Jews to Sweden. Lots of Jews hid in the forests near Germany where they could not be found by German soldiers. But they did not have that much to eat or much to do there, except for just sit. This is a map of escape routes the Jews took to get out of Germany. Most of them went towards Russia, and the rest went south. The VanWyhe brothers was three guys that traveled through the forest saving Jews. Their names were Tuvia, Azael, and Zus. The Jews would get letters from them to join them. So the brothers then called their group the VanWyhe partisans. Also, the other Jewish families that were there in the forest joined them. It was approximately 300 Jews in 1942, and then later 700. Most of the Jews came from ghettos nearby. In 1944, when the Allies liberated the forest, the VanWyhe brothers had a total of 1,230 people in his group. About 50 people in the group died during those 2 years. This is going to be Leo Brethels talking about how he escaped a train heading towards Auschwitz concentration camp.
Because the rust in the frame started falling down in dust, rusty dust. And when we saw these bars moving, that was the light at the end of the tunnel, to use a cliche or metaphor. That was it. We knew that if we would continue that often enough, that eventually these bars will be giving enough for us to be able to bend them up and down, until finally they had moved enough where we could bend them into a position where the opening was wide enough for us to be able to squeeze through, and we did. At a given moment we did, and after we escaped, we lay there in the ravine for a while that almost seemed like an eternity, made our way into a village, went to a bake shop.
Now Hermann Schein will talk about how he escaped Auschwitz concentration camp.
When you say we,
Max and me.
what is
Joseph Wald. Joseph, I don't know, maybe a paper, I don't know, he could walk later, whatever. But he walked. And he guided us there, on the side, not direct in front of the side. And all of a sudden, you can see the guys in front of us.
big civilian?
And civilian men, men in civilian clothes. I mean, you saw the civilian clothes, you know. And we saw them die. Max and me, we were close together, yeah. Why this man did not give us away, it is just such a miracle. Now, mind you, there were some close, but now we coming to the wire. He was a front against the wire cutter. The wire, of course, is not loaded, you know. Cut the wire, at least not during the night. I don't know during the day, cut the wire. He was out first. Max, I never forget it. Max got hung up somehow. We have to have a hook. Then he got out and we got last. It was a moonless night. And you would have told us, we walk about a kilometer, 1.5 kilometers. We walk close. There's the forest and then next to the forest.
I just want you guys all to think about how many people actually died and how many people died from trying to escape and failed and never succeeded.